How to use Pinterest to build your TikTok or to drag traffic to your website. Come with me, let me show you how to grow your TikTok using Pinterest. So when you come to Pinterest, you click on this plus sign here. So you will see what they call idea pin. Idea pin is like stories, right? And then pin is the same thing like posting. So they call it pin here. So now you want to pin something, so you click on pin. So it's going to bring you to your gallery. You select whatever you want to post. So you click on next. For example, if you want to post this one, you select it. If you want to post this one, select it. First of all, download whatever you want to post and you click on next, for example. And then you click next again. So it's going to bring you here, and then you are going to type exactly the description, because I'm not really posting it. I just want to show you guys. So I just type in anything, right? You click, you type your description, and I'm going to be teaching you guys more things here in your title or description. Make sure you made a research of the keywords. Make sure you're using the right keywords. That is another topic, guys. I don't want to go into that. So this is your topic, your title. So this is your description. Your description should be also with keywords, SEO, search engine optimization, guys. When you want more, I will teach you more. But the most important thing why I'm showing you guys this is that you're going to click on add. This is where you're going to add your TikTok. So you click on add, right? Website destination. So you click on it. It's going to ask you to put your website, right? So you go back to your TikTok and you copy the link of that your video. For example, if it's this video you downloaded, you copy the link. So let me do that. I copy the link. You go out again, you go back to Pinterest, and then you add that link from TikTok to your Pinterest. So when you click and you click on go, you see that it's going to bring out TikTok, you see. So this is how somebody will now see your post from that Pinterest. I will drag or bring that person from wherever that person is going to be from that Pinterest to your TikTok. So I don't want to post this in now, that's why I want to stop here. But guys, if you want me to show you more regarding this Pinterest and how to grow your TikTok with Pinterest, I'm going to do that. The next thing you need to do now is to click on add and you select your board. I'm going to teach you all these things regarding board, but let me know whether you like this video or you want more content regarding Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you.